Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Homeschool. This is Muhammad Emdadul Hoque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am here to take a math class of class 5. Our today's topic is short question part 2. In this part, I will solve 25 short questions. I will start from 26. So let us start. First question, add the two fractions, one integer 3 by 5 and 3 by 15. Now I will show the addition. To do the addition, at first we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper. If we convert this mixed fraction into improper, we have to multiply 1 by 5, then we have to add 3. 5 ones are 5 and 3, 8. So this will be 8, and in the denominator this will remain same. Now we have to add 3 by 15 with this. If we add, we have to do the LCM of 5 and 15. LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. Now if we divide 15 by 5, we will get 3. So we have to multiply 8 by 3. It will be 24. Then we have to give the addition sign, then divide 15 by 15, we will get 1. If we multiply 1 by 3, it will be 3. Now if we add this, we will get 15 here, 24 and 3. This will be 27. Now we can simplify this. If we simplify this, this will be, we can divide this by 3, it will be 5, and divide this by 3. It will be 9. So here will be 9 by 5. As this is an improper fraction, so we have to convert this one into mixed. If we convert this into mixed, we will get 5 ones are 5. If we divide 9 by 5, we will get 1 time 5, 4 left. So 4 will go to the numerator and denominator remains same. So our answer will be one integer 4 by 5. So you can say the sum of these two fractions is one integer 4 by 5. So we can write the answer now. Answer is one integer 4 by 5. Now go to the next question. Our next question is, if 55.36 is divided by 10, what will be quotient? For this type of division, when we will divide by 10, 100, 1000, we have to remember a technique. Just decimal will move. If we divide, decimal will move to left. We have to count the 0. As here is only 1 0, so decimal will move only 1 digit left. So we can say our required answer is 5.536. Now go to the next question. 28. The height of 5 students are 143 centimeter, 144 centimeter, 137 centimeter, 145 centimeter and 140 centimeter. Find the average height. To find the average height, at first we have to find the sum of height. To find the sum of height, we have to add this 2, to add this 5. 143, 144, 137, 145 and 140. If we add this 5, we will get 3, 4, 7, 7, 7, 14 and 5, 19. So 1 left, 4, 4, 8, 3, 11, 4, 15, 4, 19 and 1, 20. So 1 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 left, 5 and 2, 7. Again see the addition, 3, 4, 7, 7, 7, 14 and 5, 19, 1 left, 4, 4, 8, 3, 11, 11, 4, 15, 15 and 4, 19 and 1, 20, 2 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2, 7. Now we have to divide this by number of quantities. Here as 5 students, so number of quantities is 5. So we have to divide this by 5. If we divide at first one time, this will be 5, 2 left, 20. Now 4 times, it will be 20. Now we have to take next digit 9. So we can take one time. If we take one time, this will be 5. Now 4 left. Take the decimal here. Now divide, take 0 here, 40. So we can write here 8. 5 8s are 40. So I think our required answer for this question is 141.8. 141.8. So answer of this question 141.8 centimeter. Now go to the next question. How many diagonals are there in a quadrilateral? Suppose this is a quadrilateral. If we join two opposite vertices by a line and these two opposite vertices by a line, here we will get 2 lines only. So we can say a quadrilateral has only 2 diagonals. So answer is 2. Now next question. Meena walks 200 meters in 4 minutes. How many meters can she walk in half an hour? Here half an hour means 30 minutes. As Meena walks 200 meters in 4 minutes, at first we have to find the distance for 1 minute. So we have to divide 200 by 4. If we divide 200 by 4, this will be 50. Now we have to multiply this 50 by 30, as half an hour means 30 minutes. So multiply 50 by 30. This will be 3 5s are 15. Just a simple multiplication. Here is 2 0. So we have to write 2 0. So we can say 1500 meters. In half an hour, Meena walks 1500 meters. Now next question. How many factors are there in 36? We can divide 36 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12. Then 18 and 36. If we count the factors here, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we can say 36 has 9 factors. 36 has 9 factors. So you can say answer of this question is 9 factors. Now next question. What is the greatest common factor of 56, 28 and 42? To find the greatest common factor, we can apply the short technique 56, 28 and 42. As all the numbers are even, so we can divide by 2. If we divide by 2, it will be 28, it will be 14 and it will be 21. Now we can divide all the number by 7. If we divide by 7, this will be 4, this will be 2 and this will be 3. So we can take common factor, we will not get any common factor which can divide all this. So product of these two will be the required greatest common factor. So answer of this question will be 7 2s are 14. Now next question. How many 0.01s make 0.231? So we have to divide 0.231 by 0.001. 0.231. We have to divide this by 0.001. As the number of digit after the decimal are equal, we can remove the decimal. Just we can write 231 divided by 1. It means that 231. So our answer is 231. Our required answer for this question is 231. Next question. Convert the fraction 1 integer 2 by 5 into percentage. We have to convert this fraction into percentage. As this is a mixed fraction, at first we have to convert this into improper. If we convert, we will get 5 ones are 5 and 2 7. 5 will be in denominator. As we have to convert this into percentage, so you have to multiply both by 100. Now we can divide 100 by 5. This will be 20. Now it will be 140 by 100. So we can say 140%. So the required answer for question 34 is 140%. 140%. Now next question, 1 ton is equal to how many kilograms? Dear students, I hope all of you know 1 ton equal to 1000 kilograms. Now next question 36, is the year 2020 leap year? Is the year 2020 leap year? To know the year is leap year or not, we have to divide 2020 by 4. It means that we have to check this, the number is divisible by 4 or not. We can check this easily. If we divide the number formed by last 2 digits, that is 20. If the number is divisible by 20, then this number 2020 will be divisible by 4. Now 5 4s are 20. As the number formed by last 2 digit 20 is divisible by 4, so the total number is divisible by 4. So we can say as the number is divisible by 4, so this is a leap year. So we can say yes. Answer is yes. Now next question. Yes, this is a leap year. 37, average weight of 3 students is 54 kg. What is the total weight of the students? So to get the total weight, we need a formula. The formula is sum of quantities equal to average into number of quantities. Sum of quantities equal to average into number of quantities. As here is average is 54 and number of quantities is 3. So we have to multiply 54 by 3. It will be 162 kg. So our answer for this question is 162 kg. Again, average weight of 3 students is 54 kg. What is the total weight? To get the total weight, we have to multiply the average by the number of quantities. We will get the total weight. Now the next question, 38. Write the formula of converting the mixed fraction into improper. The formula is mixed fraction equal to, we have to multiply the integer part by the denominator. Then we have to add the numerator. And denominator will remain same. This is the required formula. This is the required formula. Now go to the next question, 39. What will be the product if a fraction is multiplied by its reciprocal fraction? Okay. To get the answer, we can apply an example. See the example. Suppose 2 by 3 is a fraction. Its reciprocal fraction is 3 by 2. So if we multiply these two fractions, we'll get the product. Here we can cut 3 by 3, 2 by 2. So only 1 remains here. This will be 1 by 1 means 1. 1 by 1 means 1. So we can say if we multiply a fraction by its reciprocal, the product will be 1. The product will be 1. So answer of question 39 is 1. Now question 40. Find the average of 9, 0, 5 and 6. To find the average, at first we have to add the numbers, then we have to divide the sum by the number of quantities. Here sum will be 9 plus 0 plus 5 plus 6. 9 and 0 will be 9 and then we have to add 5. This is 14 and then we have to add 6. This will be 20. Now the number of quantities is 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to divide this by 4 to get the average. If we divide, we will get 5. So our required average is 5. So answer of question 40 is 5. Now question 41. Express 6 in tally marks. Express 6 in tally marks. I think all of you know how to give the tally mark answer of this question. If the tally is 1, so we have to give 1 line. If it is 2, we have to give 2 lines. If it is 3, we have to give 3 lines. If it is 4, we have to give 4 lines. But if it is 5, then we have to give a line across. Then if it is 6, then we have to give another line. This is the expression of 6 in tally mark. Okay. Now question 42. Which century becomes 2020? We know from 2001 to 2100 is 21st century. 21st century. So we can say 2020 is in this range. So 2020 is the 21st century. 2020 is the 21st century. So we can say answer of question 42 is 21st century. Now question 43. 1 square kilometer equal to how many hectares? At first we have to know 1 square kilometer is how many square meters. We know 1 square kilometer means 1 kilometer multiplied by 1 kilometer. So we can write 1000 meter multiplied by 1000 meter. If we multiply, we will get meter square. So here will be ones, tens, 100,000, dozens, lakh. Here will be 10 lakhs meter square. Now we know 10,000 meter square is equal to 1 hectare. So we have to divide this by 10,000. If we divide, we will get 100. So we can say answer of question 43 is 100 hectares. 100 hectares. Okay. Now question 44. Express 42 as product of prime factors. Here we can find prime factors of 42 at first. 42 we can write here in this way, divide by 2, it will be 21. Now divide by 3, 7. So we can express 42 in this way, 2, 3, 7. So this will be our required answer. 42 equal to 2 into 3 into 7. Now question 45, we have to simplify this. 1 minus second bracket 1 minus first bracket 1 minus 1 first bracket closed, and then minus 1 second bracket closed, and then minus 1. We have to simplify this. 1 minus second bracket 1 minus first bracket 1 minus 1 first bracket closed minus 1 and second bracket closed minus 1. Now at first we have to complete the work of first bracket. So this will be 1 minus 0 minus 1. Then we have to close the second bracket. We will get 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Then 1 minus, this will be 0, minus 1, it means 1 minus 1 means 0. So our required answer for this question is 0. Question 45, answer is 0. Now, how many days were there in February of the year 2016? So at first we have to check 2016 is a leap year or not. If it is leap year, then February will contain 29 days. If it is not leap year, then February will contain 28 days. So we have to divide this by 4. It will be divisible by 4 if the number formed by last 2 digit is divisible by 4, as 16 is divisible by 4. So the total number 2016 is divisible by 4. So this is the leap year. So February will contain 29 days. So answer of this question will be 29 days. Now the next question, express 35 as a 35%, express 35% as a fraction. So we can write here 35% means 35 by 100. As we have removed percentage, we have to write 100 in denominator. Now we can divide by 5. This will be 7 and this will be 20. So our required fraction is 35 by 100 or 7 by 20. If we simplify this fraction, we will get 7 by 20. Now question 48. How many types of data are there? We know there are 2 types of data. One is organized, another is unorganized. So we can say answer is 2 types. 2 types. Now 49, what is the sum of the 4 angles of a quadrilateral? I think all of you know sum of the 4 angles, this angle, this angle, this angle and this angle. It means sum of the 4 angles of a quadrilateral. This is a characteristic. Sum of the 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. So our answer is 360 degree. Sum of the 4 angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now the last question. The length of each side of a square is 4 centimeter. What is the area of the square? As the length is 4 centimeter, we know the area of the formula of a square is one side into one side. One side into one side. So the area will be 4 multiplied by 4. As the unit is centimeter here, this will be square centimeter. So answer will be 16 square centimeter. So we can write our required answer for question 50 is 16 square centimeter. Dear students, hope all of you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe. See you again, inshallah.